So I'm making one turtle, in theory, because things escalated.
You can't do just one turtle.
I know. Hey, folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So we have some deep pour craft resin, which they kindly gave to us.
Yep. To test out.
To test out, yeah.
Yeah.
To review.
Yes. Yes, they did.
So we did.
Yes. And this is the review.
This is the, yeah. And what else are you going to make with deep pour but a giant turtle?
There are quite a fair few things that you could do, but
No.
with you,
Giant turtle.
giant turtle.
Giant turtle one. So this is the box. Isn't it lovely? I found a typo. They've spelt learn more wrong.
Lear more.
You're going to learn more.
Lear.
Learn.
more.
Yeah.
That's his French version. You got le more.
I don't know. But yeah. Found a typo. Who knew? So, you know, the box is a standard box. It comes with all the usual wear your PPE, blah, de blah, all that kind of stuff. But inside the box.
Ooh, I wonder what's inside the box.
Resin. You get 2 bottles of A, 1 bottle of B, because it's a 2-to-1. I think most deep pours are 2-to-1, aren't they? I don't know of any 1-to-1 deep pour.
No, because because you get 2 of A, it's a lot thinner.
Thinner, yeah. So, yeah. So you get 2 bottles of that, and you get your standard little instructions, which show you pictures as well, which is, you know, always quite good.
And it's in one language.
One language, yep. And the best part is the little plastic thingy that you get, little stirry stick.
It's plastic though.
I love them. They are so good. I've got loads of them.
Yeah, and how many of them have got resin attached to them?
None, because you just bend them and it snaps off.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, I love those things.
I thought silicone. I thought it would actually stick to it because I like the silicone ones.
I know you do. You can have all the silicone ones. I hate them. I like those.
Okay.
They're my favourite. But I don't feel, and this is a little bit of feedback for them, you don't put enough when we buy our resin, our 1-to-1 resin in 16-litre packs, don't we?
Yeah.
And you still only get 1 stick. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Give me more. Anyway.
So that is a big turtle mould. Is that Julie Cutts one?
That is the Julie Cutts giant turtle mould, because
I
saw it and I wanted it, and I've had it for quite some time, and I've never been able to make my mind up as to what to do with it. And because it takes such a lot of resin, I've kind of been thinking about it for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
there's turtle number 2.
Yeah. So I thought turtle number 2 will pop there, because if I make too much, then I can always just make up turtle number 2. So
and 3.
Spoiler.
4, 5.
But turtle number 2 does get made.
6.
So you can see that it's a nice clear resin.
There's some bubbles in there.
There are some bubbles in there, but I'm not worried about them because it's deep pour.
Yeah.
It's gonna, you know,
degas.
It's gonna degas very, very well. And we've used craft resin for well over, it's almost 2 years
almost
now.
2 years, yeah.
And I love the stuff. I absolutely do love the stuff. It degases so well, and your bang for buck, I think, is.
Yeah, I think we've had a look at different ones, and for what you get to what you pay.
Yeah,
I think craft resin. I mean, we have tried others, and we have tried to, see whether there's any better. But I think the craft resin is just
it's good value for money, and it works really well. So I poured in a clear layer, quite a deep clear layer of the resin, and then I just give it a little whack with the crabby heat gun, and it cured beautifully clear. However, and this is the however, me in my infinite wisdom, I stood him up a little bit because I didn't want it going down his head, and I created my own ripple. Look at that. So I'm like, So
there were tears.
There weren't tears.
There was ranting and tears.
There was not tears. There was just like, oh, I've ruined my tortoise. My turtle is ruined. So my plan was to just make up a tiny bit of deep pour and just kind of fill that area in, because my hope is that once it's dry, you won't notice the imperfections of my curing process.
I think that your repair job was really good.
And spoiler, it worked. So yeah, I was really pleased. Really, really pleased. So I did that. And then because I'd again made too much, I just poured a load over the top of him. A bit annoying because it is deep pour. It takes a little while to dry, but I put him on a little angle again. And then whilst I was waiting for him, I thought, well, we might as well just do the little one. What? And I thought my plan was I'll try the technique that I'm going to do because I wanted to see if it would work.
Yeah.
Now, quite a while ago, I did the shell technique from Petra.
Yeah.
And I did it in a shell pot, didn't I?
Sort of makes sense, really.
And I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And I've not done it since. And I've ummed and ahed about doing it on the turtle for a while. And I thought, why not? Why not?
Why not? What's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that can happen? Well,
you just get
it ends in tears. And,
yeah.
You know, I rage quit resin and never, ever touch the stuff again. That's the worst that could happen. Spoiler, doesn't happen. So all I do is I take 4 little pots, sorry. I've got one that's got clear, one that's got some blue.
That's not alcoholic, isn't it?
No, it's resin dye from Next Resin. Then this one has got a blue interference mica. And then this is just some white, some very, very thin white from Cast and Craft. And then that's the clear. Now the clear, I've put a little tiny bit of blue diamond mica in.
So it's not clear then?
Just to give it a little sparkle. Because you need sparkle.
Do you though?
I'm not answering that question. If you're not going to ask proper questions, I'm not answering them. Of course you need sparkle.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Why would you not need sparkle? You're a madman sometimes. Anyway.
Sometimes. I'll take that.
Yeah. So all I do is I put in some of the clear, some of the blue, some of the mica, some of the white, and then rinse and repeat basically until such time as I run out of resin.
So that turtle is quite shallow, isn't it? So
it isn't actually. It's 5 centimeters.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. So it's acceptable for deep pour to go in here. But the thing is with deep pour is you don't, I mean, yes, it's designed to go in deep moulds, but you can use it in other moulds because it degasses so well. Now,
yeah, but shallower ones
will take
a lot longer
much longer to cure. Absolutely.
And I just wanted to say thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us. You are all legends.
Indeed. Now, back to the big one. So this is, I think, 2 days after. It has cured beautifully. The error that I made has completely disappeared. You can't see it. And then I'm doing exactly the same technique. So bit of clear, bit of blue, bit of mica, bit of white, bit of clear, and just keep going until
Rinse and repeat.
literally run out of resin. Now, at this point, I want it to go into his head. Now, what I didn't do, if I was to do this again, I would actually have put eyes in it. I completely forgot to give him eyes. But, spoiler, I also don't have eyes that are big enough for him. So I wasn't overly worried.
Okay.
I think next time, though, I will have eyes that fit appropriately.
You could always just make some UV eyes.
Yeah.
And put them in there.
Now, back to the small one. So the small one, I'm doing the same process, but I'm using a much greener looking.
It appears to have multiplied.
Well, yeah. See, what happened is I put him on the shelf. When I took him off the shelf, he had a load more.
Wow.
Honestly. They're like little rabbits. They are.
Turtle rabbits.
Yeah. So when that one came out, I thought, well, I might as well do the little ones as well because, why not? But I will say this, I do have to get some more.
More what?
Little turtle moulds.
Why?
Because I do. Anyway, the big turtle has now completely cured. And I'm going to add some sand. A sand layer. And this is the sand that the lovely Janet Wright brought us.
Yeah.
Going to very, very good use, I might say.
Yeah. Yes, it has come in very useful.
Yes. So I thought the bottom of the turtle could be a sandy layer because I feel he's quite ocean feeling.
Okay.
So, and I know it's probably not the season to be doing ocean stuff, but I wanted to, so I did.
Well, you are the artiste.
I am the artiste.
So you can do with it what you like.
Yeah. So with this one, what I wanted to do was a sand layer, but then on the very bottom, I wanted to do a darker layer, which, I tell you.
Good job, really.
Yeah.
Because you had a leakage.
I did have a bit of a leak. And then I thought I'll use this dark turquoise as the very base layer.
Yeah.
And oh my goodness.
Things did not go well.
No, they did not. It spilled everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. But never mind, it still looks great. So this is the de-mould. So this is the little turtles coming off.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this one I'd already shoved a bit of green sparkle in from a previous leftover. But I thought that works. I quite like that.
I like that. Yeah. No, I think the feet,
green,
it's quite it's quite a nice effect.
Yeah, I liked it. I thought it was quite cool. This is little turtle number 2.
Yeah. I'm sure we're getting up to triple digits on our turtle count.
No, we are not. Nowhere near it. Don't be so silly. But I do need more turtle moulds.
Okay.
So, yeah. Those are a bit... I think I'm wearing those out now.
I'm not surprised.
So, this again, I had a few bits that I'd already chucked into the mould itself.
So those were like drip molds.
Yeah, they were like drip molds because I like my turtles as little mini drip molds. So this is the little teeny tiny turtle, which I thought was quite cool. I like him. I think he's very cool.
I think he's very cool.
He's cute. He's got a cuteness to him, I feel.
I think it's his little round head.
I think it is as well. And his little smiley face.
Looks like a little Pokemon.
Anyway, this is the first turtle de-mould. So this is the turtle that's from Let's Resin. And I actually really like this mould. I've got quite a few of these. A bit of a bubble there is a bubble in his bottom, which is not a problem because I do fix it. It's a really simple fix with a bit of UV. But yeah, so he's got a little there, but there he is.
See, I like that, but I feel that the clear bit...
I feel that the clear bit should have been a lot deeper. But you know what? I can live with it. I was quite happy with him. I thought I quite like those colours. They're quite sort of... It's got that shimmer.
Yeah, it's a nice fit. Now,
but this is the main event.
Now, this was really heavy. So I demoulded this because it is a beast.
I have had a few...
I had to prise all of the stuff that you...
all the sticky stuff off. But I've had a couple of really bad days, haven't I?
Yeah.
So because this is so heavy, I got Kirk to demould it for me.
I think you just didn't want to take off all of the resin that had spilt all over the place.
No, it wasn't that at all. Because if it had been me, I wouldn't have recorded that bit. I'd have hidden that bit from the camera.
No. And then I tried... look at that. Look.
It's fine. It comes off.
It does, but...
It come off and it come clean and it was all good. So it's all fine. But yeah,
it did take a little bit of effort.
Top tip: don't leave your tools.
Yeah, on your work surface, where when you've actually spilt resin.
Yeah,
and also the resin actually went up to the top as well because it stuck to your pegboard.
It stuck to everything, didn't it?
The Kirnix sign, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
But all that aside, let's demold the beast.
The beast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I was sat next to Kirk at this point and I was quite excited. And he's there going, you got a bubble there.
Yeah, there's a little bubble in the tail, but I think that was because of the sand.
Yeah, there's a bubble on his tail, on the underside of his tail, and there's a bubble on the underside of his chin. Not a problem because I do fill it in with UV, but look at him.
That is really pretty.
Isn't he the most gorgeous? Now, right in the very center, you can see there is a small bubble circle, which, yeah, I was like, oh. But you know what? I can live with that because it's not perfect. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's handmade. Perfectly imperfect.
Yes, it is.
But I was so chuffed with this little guy.
Yeah.
He is lovely.
It is really nice, but I must add as well, it is massive.
Yeah.
And it is quite hefty.
Yeah. So all of those, so this turtle, the Let's Resin turtle, and the 3 little ones that I made, 4 little ones that I made, basically took 1.5 litres of deep pour.
Wow.
All of them. Yeah. So yeah, it is. It's not one that I'll be making too frequently, but I am going to make this one again because I love him.
Yeah, I mean, you could do so much with that. You
Kurt
could do
wants to go now.
Yeah, I mean, you could do like a little underwater scene in the show.
No, you're not abominizing him.
I wasn't going to abominize
You would.
it.
You'd put some grotty monster in it or something. No.
No.
It's beautiful, and he remains beautiful.
Uh-huh.
His face right now, he's like, I'm going to get it.
Yeah.
But yeah, he is, and he is really heavy, isn't he?
Yeah.
He is.
And then I think you did a few additions off camera, and then it was off to the glamour shots.
So I added some sort of silver to his little shell.
Yeah.
And I gave him some eyes. And that was all I did with him, really. That's him. All done.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I really like it. I think that is it's.
I was really happy.
It's a pretty. So we just got to find somewhere to put it now.
Yes. Let us know in the comments what you think of him and what ideas you have for me to make next time.
Yeah.
Using this particular beautiful mould.
Or me.
Or Kirk. Yeah. Or Kirk. Anyway, that's it from us.
Yeah.
If you have liked our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry will any moment now bring up a video that you might like to watch as well.
Yes.
But in the meantime, please do feel free to hit that like button.
Yeah. And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little stroke?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care and bye for now.
Bye for now.